American Powertrain sells complete 5- and 6-speed conversion systems for your hot rod, sports car, anything cool and old. They're complete kits, everything you need to put the system into your car. And they truly are systems. Everything from a Hydromax hydraulic clutch conversion system that uses really cool, really nice adjustable throwout bearings and amazing bracketry, everything made here in the USA, and featuring Tremec transmissions like this TKO 600 or this Magnum 6-speed. Everything that you need is included in one of their kits. Now there are some options. You can step up to even cooler shifters. You can step up to even cooler and more high performance clutch assemblies depending on what your particular combination is. But ultimately, every single kit can be installed in a weekend at your home. And you don't even need to take the car down to a drive shaft shop. You know, you measure for the drive shaft, you send those measurements off, and it's included in your purchase from American Powertrain. So no matter what it is you've got, no matter how it is that you're wanting to do an install, they can help you out, whether it's complete systems or components. Now we're going to be doing a bunch of installations. We're going to show you a bunch of how-to and tech on all the different things that go into an American Powertrain overdrive conversion system. So pay attention, stay tuned, and again, read the instructions, listen carefully, take your time and enjoy the install, and you'll do it with little or no difficulty.